In the previous video, we created this accumulation refined raster data set that kind of shows us where the higher volumes of accumulation are happening. We pretty much create our own little grid network. So for this lesson, we're just going to convert this into an actual vector line, because we now want to begin to select items in our kind of buildings or parcel layers to begin to understand where these locations lie within the larger watershed. To do this, we will, so we have this activated, we will open up Spatial Analyst tool, raster calculator. Here we want to set null values, because in order for this to get turned into a line, all the values need to, everything needs to have one value in the raster. So to do this, we know that the lowest number is 2. So what we're going to say is we're going to set null to everything within this that is less than or equal to, actually, that is less than 2. And everything else we're going to set to 1. So we're going to save this as accum 1, 1. Hit save. Hit OK. And now what we have is now we have a raster that everything is just set to 1. So now we'll be able to, GIS will be able to turn this into a vector. So to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type into my search stream to feature. And that's located in our Spatial Analyst tool. So I'm just going to click here, stream to feature. For the stream, it's going to be the accumulation 1, 1. Actually, cancel this. We also need a flow direction map. And so I'm just going to bring back my dim direction here, because it needs to understand the relationship between the movements of the water and that data set, so that way it can get a continuous line. So I'm going to go back to my search again, double click stream to feature. It's going to add my accum 1, my dim, my direction, flow analysis, and here I'm going to just type in streams. ST 200, because this is all the streams that have greater than 200 accumulation area. Save. Make sure Simplify Polylines is checked. And hit OK. And now once I turn off everything, what I'm left with are vector lines now that I can use in my other maps to select and to do continued analysis on this. So as you can see here, I can change the color of them, and now they're perfectly common vector tools that I can then add data to and continue to manipulate in any way I desire.